you like this video, make sure to click that notification bell so you get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up there, YouTube? How's it going? So that was a cool car engine sound effect that I made up all the way back in 2014. And today, I decided to make a tutorial on that sound effect because in my opinion, I think the car engine sound is pretty cool to learn for all you beatboxers out there. And honestly, I think this sound effect is even pretty awesome to learn even if you don't beatbox. So I really hope that this tutorial is helpful, and let's get this started. Alright, so in order to do the car engine sound effect, you're going to need to know how to do two different sounds. So the first sound you're going to need to know how to do is, you just need to know how to buzz your lips like and if you don't already know how to do this, then I'm going to give you an easy method on how to get this properly. So what you want to first start off doing is a lip flutter, like just like that. And while you're doing a lip flutter, you're going to want to just tighten up your lips. And it should sound like this. And there you go. Now you're properly buzzing your lips. And while you're buzzing your lips, at the same time, you're going to need to also know how to roll your tongue or roll your R's, like. And if you buzz your lips and roll your tongue at the same time, it should sound a little something like. And now you're already halfway there to learning how to do the car engine sound. Alright, so now that I've taught you that you need to roll your tongue and buzz your lips, now I'm going to move on to the next step of the process of learning the car engine sound. So while you're rolling your tongue and buzzing your lips, you're also going to want to just cup your hands over your mouth. And the reason why you want to cup your hands over your mouth is because this muffles the sound a little bit and gives it a more realistic sound. And plus, it also keeps you from accidentally spitting all over the place while doing this sound. But when you cup your hands over your mouth, it should sound a little something like this. Alright, so now that I've taught you all that, now I'm going to move on to the final step of teaching you how to do the car engine sound effect. And the final step of getting this sound is having proper airflow. Now, when you're doing the car engine sound effect, you're going to first start off by just letting out a regular amount of air, but then every few seconds, you're going to let out a very fast exhale or a very quick gust of air. And the reason why you're going to want to exhale hard or let out air very quickly is because it gives you that nice cool sound of the car engine starting up. So if you follow all these steps, it should sound a little something like. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram called KevinYouTube, or click that notification bell so you're notified anytime I make a new video. And I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions down in the comments, and I'll answer them the best I can. And that's it for today, so peace!